If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys!
So, good day guys. Meron na naman tayong package. Another PSA return na naman tayo guys. So, medyo special to kasi we have here a special set that I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about guys. I'm just gonna show you. Hindi ko lang alam saan banda. Anyways, open muna natin isa-isa. Para hindi na natin kailangan itong scissor. At hindi na tayo mahihirapan. Dito muna tayo sa feeling ko konti. Wala kasi akong wala akong tripod or stand. Ayan guys. First PSA Mega Charizard PSA 10. Next one Mega Dragonite PSA 10. Next one Mewtwo EX from Evolution PSA 6. Next one Mimikyu PSA 8. Next one Charizard PSA 9. I don't know why it is 9. Hindi may whites. Laki ng whites guys. So hindi ko alam kanina to. Diyan muna. Oricorio PSA 10. Next one Charizard PSA 10. Milotic PSA 10. Mega Charizard PSA 10. Mega Bullpix PSA 10. May bibili guys. Next one. Uy, Sanji PSA 9 ay 10. Tabi muna natin to. Wait lang. Diba? Sabi sa inyo eh. Anyways, saan na tayo? Luffy PSA 10. Next one Blue Label Authentic Charizard So ito yung autograph series guys na pwede ka magpapirma kay Sarah Natsucheni. Siya yung voice actress of Pikachu, I mean Ash. So we have 5 of these. Yeah. It is Sarah. So ayun guys. Next na. Next. Oops. Be careful guys. Handling slabs. Okay. First, Victini PSA 10. Another one, Charizard PSA 10. Next, Captain Pika PSA 10. Eevee PSA 9. Charizard again. Dami naman Charizard nito. Then Charizard. Mega Charizard 10. Don 10. Then Mega Lucario 9. Perona PSA 10. Mega Charizard PSA 9. Meowth PSA 10. Gardevoir PSA 10. Then Treasure Rare Luffy PSA 10. So if you're interested in grading your cards, guys, you can contact me at Kel Santos or scan the QR dun sa first video. Sabo PSA 10. Next, Rayleigh PSA 10. Puro PSA 10 to, guys. Oh. Luffy Wanted from OP9 13 pala. Then the serialized Nami 023 PSA 10. Damn. Portgas DAs PSA 10. Uta PSA 10. And last, the magazine promo PSA 10. So yun lang for this batch, guys. Sakto sa 5 minutes. So if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kel Santos. So FB, YouTube, or TikTok. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. So feature me sa video. Hindi pala nasama to, guys. So open muna natin. Isisingit ko na lang sa gitna ng video para makita nyo. This one. Basically mga express to, I think. So basically express. Yan. Oh shit eh. Nahulog. Wait. Among Us. Nasa si Pikachu. So ayan, guys. Pag-grade natin yan. And this is the special. Let's go. PSA 10. Mega Gengar. PSA 10 again. PSA 10. Grabe naman. Ito yung akin, PSA 9. Pero at least PSA 9 pa rin. Then 2. So yun lang, guys. Yung PSA 9 is sa akin. Tapos the Gengar and the Charizard is this. Damn. Thumbnail. Ayan, guys. Angas. So yun lang, guys. Okay, back to the hindi future. Previous me. So, hindi lahat lagi. Then, kasi mahirap talaga mag-grade ngayon. Lalo na sobrang tagal, guys. 6 months yung hihintayin nyo bago lumabas yung grade. Tapos, maghihintay pa kayo ng ilang weeks bago makauwi. So, patience lang talaga. Ang kinagandaan nun, once na nag-submit ka every single month, may hintayin ka every single month na dadating. Starting 6 months. So, yun lang, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.